Everybody in Sydney and good evening in US. For people who are joining for the first time, my name is Danish and I trade S&P 500 futures. And this is the weekly analysis for major indices. So beginning with S&P 500 futures, which affects most of the indices in the world. This is what just happened. I had been expecting a pullback because there is a cyclical pattern in the candles. After every 3 to 5 candles, there has to be a different color candle. That's a normal behavior. You could see any time in past, after 3 to 5 candles of any one color, there has to be a candle of different color. But what happened here was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 candles. This does not even count as a different because it did not change the trend. It was still upwards, and then 8 and 9. So 9 candles straight up. We had seen a same pattern here, exactly similar pattern right here. It was going up, 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 and just one small candle, which was barely, a downward trend. It was, I would say, taking a step back to leap forward. Similarly here, you can see smaller candles. The candles start getting smaller. This little red one takes a step back, and then they leap forward. And we were already stretching the rubber band too long and too hard. And eventually it snapped back. It snapped back within the channel. And, you know, also this was the last all-time high, 3397.5, and 3389.5 was the resistance band. It was supposed to tap along here for a bit because it disrespected this particular area right here at the chart. Well, it has to give the, come back and test it once more. So for Tuesday, when the US markets open, I expect another red day. The candle may form somewhere around here, right around here, and we may touch probably the bottom of this channel, which would be around 3300. That's a possibility, lower 3300s to 3300. The wick may go as low as here, but I expect a red candle at this place here, a reasonably deep red candle, and then probably we'll just bounce off from here. This is what I expect, and from here, from this point on, for at least a few weeks, I'm expecting something similar like this point here. If you can see this particular candle right here, it showed a similar behavior. It went all the way to the bottom of the channel, bounces back up, and turns into green candle. So maybe it's a red candle or a green candle, but it may test lower points compared to the current one. And then we may see a sideways consolidation for a few days before we start going upwards again. Again, there is nothing to be worried about. This is a normal behavior. It should have had been in the very first place. We should have gone slow and steady, but the market was too excited and went just too far away. Okay, quickly covering the other indices, NASDAQ. Again, this is, you can see here. Ooh, wow. 13.5% in 15 trading days. This was a huge run. And you can see how, starting from here, it goes in the channel, up and down, up and down, up and down, up and down, goes straight up, shoots down, then up and down, and that's how it's supposed to work. Again, this was a straight up bull run. And because of this straight up bull run, again, the same rules of the game apply here. So, well, NASDAQ faced a similar fate. Again, also NASDAQ is influenced by S&P as well, because that's the major index that influences every other index. So when ES goes down, everybody else goes down. That's for NASDAQ. let's talk about what was that? Russell, small and medium caps. Russell, on the contrary, is good. Russell is really good because Russell did not run away like a mad bull here. It is just going sideways as ES should have done or NASDAQ should have done. So that Russell is fine. We may see some upside, tapping along this channel on Monday. Oh, sorry, Tuesday and this following week. So this is the fate of Russell, going down to Dow Jones. This is not as bad because this was never in a very long bull run, but this is a bull pullback, I would say. So this is going normal, but still a pullback. So it should stay within this channel, if not lower, because again, this did not have a very long bull run like others. Talking about Australian index XJO. This is in big trouble. This is in big trouble because again, it dropped from the channel. Now it's actually taking facing the resistance from 6129.6 level, the Fibonacci level here. So this may probably go just sideways. We may also consider this going into a cup and handle formation, like so. That's a cup, and that's a straight up handle, which is not a bad sign. This is a bullish sign, but it'll just take longer to stay in the handle before it shoots up again. This is ASX 200. And let's go to the last one, Nifty. For people who are investing in India. Oh, Nifty just dropped from the channel. Nifty just dropped from the channel. Nifty is in trouble. So if it bounces up and catches the channel again, we're good. If it does not catch the channel this time and does not get back in here, this zone, maybe we are setting a new trend sideways, just like we saw in ES sometime around April 7th. So Nifty next 1 week is pretty crucial, and I'm from my expectations of ES. If ES goes sideways, Nifty goes sideways, and this may be the new normal for Nifty, just like here. Hold on, ES1. Like ES was going upwards in this particular channel. Until it changed the course. So for Nifty, because the candle dropped just like this particular red candle right here, this red candle, this was very similar to what Nifty had. We changed the course, the whole course changed. So that's it for the major indices. If you guys have any questions, feel free to ask. Thank you, everybody. We will be meeting again next week.
Thank you so much, Danish. Appreciate that.
Thank you.
Yeah, you're welcome. Bye-bye.
Thank you, guys.
Thank you.